Hi guys, and welcome to this new video of mine. In today's video we're going to be unboxing Enhypen's newest album, their first full-length album, Dimension Dilemma. I got three versions with me right now, the Scylla, the Odysseus and the Charybdis version. There is also an essential version which is more like a jewel case, but that one is still on the way. So for now I'm gonna do this, and then I do the essential version separately, I guess. And if you went through a Percy Jackson phase like me, then you know these are Greek mythology characters. So Scylla and Charybdis are both sea monsters and Odysseus is our hero. But yeah, let's start off with the Scylla version first. So this is the front, the back, and the sides. Let's open it up. Okay, so if I'm right, the photo cards are all the way in the back, so let me get those out first, and then we'll look through the photo book and the rest of the inclusions. I'm really sorry about the glare up here. It's a bit cloudy right now and therefore it's quite dark, so I've had to turn on a lamp so you can see it better, because elsewhere it would have been really dark and you can't really see anything. But yeah, so this is the photo book. It's purple and really reflective, so I have to be careful not to show my face because I don't want to scare y'all. So this is the front and the back, and as you can see, you can leave fingerprints like that. And the spine, of course, which reads Enhypen. Alright, so let's look at the inside. Oh my god, these pictures. Also, I really love Nikki's longer hair. It's amazing. It's a shame they cut it, but it looked so great on him. And a few units. Now we move into Chung 1. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. I really love these pictures. They're so fucking beautiful. And Sanu! Oh my god, his hair. Oh. They used Sanu for the teaser for the album in the very beginning. And when I saw the color, I was like, no, oh my god, that's beautiful. Like, almost all of my biases have had pink hair now. It's a trend. It's a thing. So whenever an idol has pink hair, it's probably my bias. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god, yes. And now we get Hisung. Beautiful. With his emo hair. I like the Jaguar print. Is it Jaguar? I don't know. This print is back. He had it during Island on one of his beanies and it was iconic to me. So it's back. Beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, Nikki! Yeah, like I said, I really love his longer hair. Look how pretty he looks with it. Oh my god. He looks better with this type of hair than I do. And like, I cut my hair this short every summer. Well, pretty much every summer. And he's rocking it better than I do. Oh my god. He looks so rich. I mean, come on, look at him. Beautiful. Oh, and Sangun. Yes. Oh, he never disappoints. Oh my god. You know the problem with Enhypen is they're all so fucking handsome and so freaking talented. It's so hard to pick a bias because they all deserve that spot. Oh, and Jay. With the money, which I definitely need because I'm broke and people are having comics again. Oh my god. Oh, and Jake, yes. Oh. He's the cutest. Oh, this looks almost like a shark's teeth, like on top. That's funny. Now we have some group photos. And then the thanks to pages. So that was Jungwon's, this is Heesang's, Jay, Jake, Sungwon, Sanu, and then Nikki's, of course. So that was it for the photo book. Now let's look at the CD if I can find it. So the CD comes in a little bucket. So let's take it out. So for the Scylla version, pretty much everything is purple. So the CD plate is also purple. There you go. Okay, so then we also get stickers in the album. Really cute. And then we get this banner thingy, and I think this was member specific as well, so we got Jungwon's. And then we got these photos with it. And the backs are just white. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but you can rip it so you can put them separately in your binder somewhere. So yeah, there's that one. Okay, so we got the lyric book. So it's Dilemma. So we start off with the track list. So there we go. And then here it's mirrored. So we start off with intro whiteout. Then Tamed Dashed, which is such an amazing song. Oh my god, this album has no skips. It's such a good album. And you got Upper Side Dreaming, which is one of my favorites. I love it so much. And then we move into I Didn't Know is the English title for it, which is also a beautiful song. Oh my god. And then we have Go Big or Go Home, which is such a good song. They're performing this alongside Team Dash on the music shows, and oh my god, I go hard on that song so much. It's so good. And then Blockbuster, which has Yeonjun of Tomorrow by Together in it as well. And Attention Please. And we finish up with Interlude Question. So yeah, that was it for the lyric book. And then you get this thingy, which I think is the OS card, or is meant to be the OS card, because they would have it. And it's multiple, so I guess you get the whole set. Yeah, we got Nikki. Which way do you open? Okay, this way. Now we got Jungwon and Sunwoo as well. And then Sungwon and Jake. And then Jay and Heesung, so you got the whole group. So yeah, and the front says the Nightball Top League. Because I did have like a rugby theme in the music video, so I guess that's what this is about. Let's look into the photo cards. So you got 2 photo cards per member per version. So you got a normal one and a holo one, and I don't know which back is which, but we'll do this one first. So the white back, and we got... Oh, we got Jay. Okay, so this is the holo card. I love it. Oh my god, yes. Yes. Beautiful. Okay, so that's one. Then we do the purple back, and we got... Oh, we got Nikki. So cute with his long hair. Oh my god, yes. I love that. Okay, so that's it for the Scylla version. Let's move into the Odysseus version. Okay, so this is the Odysseus version, and this is the front, the back, and the sides. So again, let's take everything out and look at the photo book first. Okay, so let's look at the photo book. Okay, so this is gonna be the like beach version, I guess. This is gonna be the cutest photo book ever, I can already tell. Oh my god, look at them. Their little smiles. Adorable. Okay, now we got Sungwon for the individual photos. So cute. Now we got Jungwon. And then we have Heesung. And Sunwoo. Oh my god. Oh my god, the little smile. Oh my god. So cute. Oh, these pictures are adorable. Oh my god. And now we have a few units. Right? Yeah. So a few of them. Then I guess we move into Nikki then. Yes. No. And then we got Jake. And then we move into Jay. And then we got some group photos. Yeah. These pictures are amazing. And then the thanks to, which is pretty much the same as the Scylla version. Okay, so let's take a look at this CD plate for the Odysseus version, which no doubt is gonna be orange. If I can get it out, please. Okay, so this is the CD plate for the Odysseus version. And then we got some stickers again. And then the member related like postcard thingy, I guess, mini poster. I don't know what it's called, but we got Sangoon. Cute. And then these pictures come with it. And again, the backs are just white. And then we got the little lyric book, which is the same as for the Scylla version, but just in orange. So I won't go for that again because it doesn't really have pictures in it. And then we got this set of OS cards again, so I guess that's the same for every version. And on the back it says Dark Moon, which is their Hype universe name. Okay, and then the important stuff, the photo cards. So let's do the holo one first. We got, ooh, we got Nikki. Oh my god, so cute. Adorable. Yay. And then the normal one, or the orange back. We got, oh, we got Jay. Okay, so far I'm Jay and Nikki blessed, which is definitely alright. So this is the Charybdis version, this is the front, and the back, and the sides. Let's turn it this way this time. And again, let's take everything out and look at the photo book first. Okay, so this time we got a blue themed inclusion set. So let's start with the photo book. This is the front, the back, and the spine. Oh my god, this is this version. I totally forgot. Oh my god, no, this is the cutest version ever. There's this one picture of Nikki in it, which is my favorite. I'm obsessed with that picture. Oh my god. And these outfits, they look so comfy. The cuties, oh my god. Oh my god, the cutest. Oh, this is adorable. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. So we start off with Nikki this time. Oh my god, the cutie, look at that smile. Here, this picture. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with it. It's so cute. And this one too. Oh my god. Okay, then we move into Jake. No. So cute. But what are those pants? Oh my god. He rocks them, but what are those pants? Oh, and he sang. Yeah, this photo. Oh my god, with the little plushie. Yeah, this photo book is actually absolutely the cutest thing they've ever done. Like, holy shit, they're so beautiful, so adorable. I am definitely in love. Oh, and Jungwon. Yes. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, and these pictures as well. Oh my god. And then we move into Sunghoon. Oh, adorable. Oh, that little smile. Oh my god, let's bring you closer. Oh, so cute. Oh, and Sunghoon. I want to say Sunghoon, but it's Sunwoo. Oh my god, Sunwoo. Oh my god, his hair is so vibrant here. I love it. Ooh. Oh. This one. I want this picture framed. It's so beautiful. And then we move into Jay. Oh. Oh, and this one too. So cute. Yeah, this version is definitely my favorite. Oh, and then we got the thanks too with these like adorable photos. Oh. Okay, so let's grab the CD plate. Okay, so let's take the CD out. Okay. So this is what the CD looks like. And then again we got this cute stickers. And this time around we got Sunwoo! Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god, I might rip this apart and use this for my Enhypen binder cover. Oh my god. It's adorable. Yes! Okay, and then we got the lyric book again, which is in blue this time. And then the same set for this one again. Okay, so now let's do photo cards, and we got... Oh, we got J. Oh my god, so far I've pulled J in every single version. What is this? Since when do you like me this much? Okay, and then the regular photo card is... Oh, we got Jake. Nice. So cute. Oh my god, I love that. Alright, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content coming your way. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Wait, no.